Which question we have stopped yesterday?
13th, ma'am.
13th. Okay. A person holds a bundle of hay over his
This
head.
completed, ma'am.
Completed this one?
Yes, ma'am. 14th one.
14th one. 14th one is problem, I think so, right? 15th
Yes, ma'am.
one. 15th one. Somebody read the question, please. Somebody please read the question.
Ma'am, can I
have to
read?
unmute. Hiranya, please read.
Illustrate the law of conservation of energy by discussing the energy changes which occur when we draw
Read
a
properly,
pendulum
read
box.
slowly, read clearly. Everybody should understand it.
Ma'am, we completed up to only 12, ma'am.
Only 12th.
Yeah, ma'am.
Somebody is telling 12, somebody is telling 13th.
No, ma'am, 12 only.
Okay, 13th we will go ahead once again.
Ma'am.
Right. 13th. Hiranya, read 13th question.
A person holds a bundle of hay over his
Louder.
head for 30 minutes.
Hmm.
A person holds a bundle of hay over his head for 30 minutes and gets tired. Has he done some work or not? Justify your answer.
Okay. So what is the question telling us? Hiranya, what is the question? What is it communicating to us? What is the meaning of the question? Did you understand the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say?
1 minute. Hiranya will tell. Yes, Hiranya, you can explain me the question.
Ma'am, he holds a bundle of hay.
Hmm. Okay. So a person holds a bundle of hay. You think hay as some kind of material. Okay. So that material he is holding over his head. Okay, on the top of his head, this bundle of hay, a person is holding for about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. And finally he gets tired. Then he is asking whether that person has done some work or not. That is what he is asking us. So whether the person has done according to the physics, what shall we consider? Whether the person has done some work or not.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute, let us give opportunity for somebody else. If they are not trying, then let us see.
Okay, ma'am.
Charan respond. K Charan respond. Charan? Are you there? Charan respond. Not responding in the online class? Very bad. Boys, you have to raise your hands. Those who are not at all responding, please raise your hands. Srijan, I don't want it from Srijan, somebody else. Pardiv respond. Pardiv Patel respond. Regular defaulters. We have to give you an award.
Ma'am.
Who is responding? Pardiv?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you read the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So what did you understand from the question? Whether the work is done or not in this example.
No, ma'am. He's tired, ma'am.
Work is
He's
not
not
done.
complete. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how can you justify your answer?
Because he's tired, no, ma'am. He didn't complete his work, no, ma'am.
But for 30 minutes he is holding the bundle of hay over his head.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Abhinash.
But
Ma'am,
Abhinash, tell me the answer.
ma'am, work not done, ma'am.
Why?
Because he is standing in a, he is not moving now, ma'am.
Okay, moving is related to in physics.
Scientifically,
Ma'am, can I answer?
Work done.
Moving is related. Who is this responding now?
Aditya, ma'am.
Aditya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is a person holds a bundle of hay, which means grass, ma'am, over his head for half an hour, ma'am.
Okay.
And he gets and he gets tired, ma'am, which means that there is no work done because there is no displacement.
Very good. Displacement is more important point here.
Yes, ma'am.
Because the person is not moving, so there is no displacement, okay, in the direction of applied
Yes.
force. Hence, the work done is 0. You can write down this
Yes.
answer in your physics notebook, all of you children. The answer is that you can see on the board also. I have shared the screen. The person does not do work because no displacement takes place in the direction of applied force, as the force acts in the vertically upward direction. Please note it down in your physics notebook. CW. Next, Ranadir respond. Ranadir respond. Ranadir respond. Rishit Rao respond. Rishit Rao respond. Rishit Rao, you can respond. There is nothing. How many days you will keep without responding? Tell me, children. You have to keep on responding. Whether you know the answer, you don't know the answer, that is secondary thing. But the primary thing is you have to respond. Rishit Rao, are you speaking something? Ranadir, are you speaking? Ranadir? Rishit Rao, if you are speaking, I am unable to hear your voice. Speak little bit louder.
Ma'am, he is speaking, ma'am.
What? Rishit? I don't know. I was unable to hear anything. Yes, who can explain me 15th one?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am? Can I?
Shritesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, explain.
Ma'am, the law of conservation of energy means it states that the law of motion cannot be created nor destroyed, ma'am. Just it will convert from one form to another form, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
In this pendulum, ma'am, it will be moving from a rest position to another position.
Okay.
Like this means the kinetic energy will be converting to potential energy, no, ma'am.
Hmm. So from where
Like that,
kinetic energy is converted into potential energy? See, everybody mute, children.
no, ma'am. A bob.
1 minute. There is some disturbance. Everybody mute yourself. Only Shritesh respond. Somebody is again talking here. Ranadir, mute yourself.
Ranveer.
Shritesh, please continue.
Ma'am, when you asked when kinetic energy will change to potential energy, no, ma'am?
Yes.
The bob will move from rest position to extreme position, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Their
So
kinetic
actually my
energy,
doubt is when if you take a simple pendulum, if you drag the simple pendulum to one end, so when you drag it, what is the energy which is present in the simple pendulum? To its higher position, if you drag to one side,
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
what is the energy in that position?
Potential, ma'am. When the
Potential
bob
energy.
is no, ma'am. When the bob is pulled to a certain height, ma'am, the energy will be stored, no, ma'am. That is called potential energy.
Okay.
Like that, like the again from kinetic to potential, potential to kinetic. the energy will
the
be
energy will be
remain
converting.
conserved, no,
When
ma'am.
it is at the higher end, higher position, it will be like, you know, potential energy. And when you leave it, it will come into kinetic energy. When it goes to maximum direction, again it is into potential energy. Again, when it comes into
Yes,
mean
ma'am.
position, it is into kinetic energy.
Just
So
it will transform, ma'am.
so energy will be transformed from one form to the other form. Here we are not violating the law of conservation of energy because we are not destroying it. Okay, simply the energy is converted from one form to the other form. It is not destroyed. So hence law of conservation of energy is not violated. Yes, children, the answer is correct. Well tried, Shritesh. Good answer. So please note it down the answer in your physics CW. I have written everything notes elaborately, clearly. So you can note it down. Abhinaya, who is responding?
Nishita.
Huh?
Nishita.
Rishita? Nishita?
Yeah,
Huh.
I didn't get my physics notebook back when I
It
gave
is
the
there in the
correction.
school itself. If you can send someone, we will be giving you back.
Oh, okay. I'll tell
You
my
can
mom.
send someone to the school to receive it. Yes. So please note it down in your physics notebook. If everybody have done, please tell me. Done, children?
No.
Yeah, please do it. I'll wait. Write neatly, children. Don't write spelling mistakes. Don't scribble. Don't make my correction work so problematic and so troublesome to me. You are into 9th grade. Please write neatly without any spelling mistakes. Write down the chapter names also. Some students are not even writing chapter name or lesson name. Simply writing, that's it. Not even entry. You have to note down the question also. First, you have to write down chapter name, topic name, date, followed by the question, and then followed by answer.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed. Okay, let us
Ma'am,
wait
no
for
from
other,
last.
other students also. 1 minute.
Ma'am, we have to write 16th one also.
16th one, no. I'll explain you 16th one after explanation. Only
Okay, ma'am.
15th one.
Completed 15th one.
Right. Okay, please complete it. Others also, please complete it.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed. Okay, good. Everybody completed?
Completed.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right, right. So let us move to the next question. So who will read the next question? 1 minute. Who want to read the next question? Santosh? Santosh, respond.
Ma'am,
Please read the question. Please read the
M
question.
is
Santosh, read the question.
work should be done on the object in
Your
order to
voice is not clear.
write
Please be
the
little bit
object or
clearer.
post.
Your voice is not clear. Please be a little clearer.
Okay, ma'am. Object of the was.
Start reading. I cannot hear anything. I don't know it's my problem or your problem. Anybody else who want to try?
Ma'am, can I?
Who is this? Shritesh. No,
Sritej.
we'll give others also. Others also should speak. Abhinav Sai,
Yes, ma'am. Can I try?
you can try, but your voice is buffering. Check,
Okay.
and now it is clear.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. The answer for question 16 is like you need
No,
to
you
repeat
have to
it.
read question first. Explain the question. What does the question mean actually, and then you have to explain the answer.
Okay. An object of mass m is moving with a constant velocity v. How much work should be done on the object in order to bring the object to a rest?
Okay. So explain this question. What does the question mean?
It means that it's an object moving at a constant speed. So we need to find out how much work should be done to stop the object from moving?
Actually, for a moving object, what kind of energy we consider it as?
Kinetic energy.
Okay. So, according to the formula, the energy which
Um,
is required for moving an object is equal to the energy to bring an object to rest is also the equal amount of work is required. So when
yeah.
equal amounts of work is required to move an object is equal to equal amount of work which is required to bring an object to rest. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So as the object is moving there, so we consider it as kinetic energy. Okay. Kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with a velocity v is given by expression half mv square. This expression already, when the theory classes are going on, this expression is explained. How the expression for kinetic energy will be done. So finally, the expression for kinetic energy is half mv square. So when kinetic energy when an object is moving, some x amount of kinetic energy, we are telling it as half mv square, so it is required, then the same amount of energy is required in order to bring the object to rest. So you can write like this: the to bring the object to rest, an equal amount of work, that is half mv square, is required to be done on the object. Okay. So everybody understood? Anybody who have not understood this?
Done, ma'am.
Anybody want to add something else to this? You have your own explanation which you want to share now, because in physics we have multiple thinkings, each one have their own perspective of thinking. Shritesh, you want to add something?
No, ma'am. Understood.
Understood. What did you understand?
Ma'am, if an object is moving with some velocity, and we have to give equal amount of velocity to stop that object, ma'am.
So work done for moving an object is equal to work done for stopping an object. So work done is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So then kinetic energy is equal to work done. So work done is equal to half mv square. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Others who want to try? Who want to explain this? Abhinay, you want to try?
Ma'am?
You want to try this? You want to explain?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if the object is in motion, so its energy will be kinetic energy because it's moving now, ma'am.
Okay.
So that formula which is given for kinetic energy is half mv square.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the kinetic energy of an object when it comes to it, it will be zero, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can do by expression also, no, ma'am. 1 by mv square minus 0 means 1 by mv square only it will come.
Yeah.
Yeah. ma'am.
Yeah. With expression also we can do it.
Yeah. ma'am.
Right. Good. Yes. Please note it down so that we'll move to the next question.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed. Good. Others
Ma'am,
also
1
please
minute.
complete.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 minute. We'll wait for others also.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Shall I move for next?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you give me one more minute? I'm still writing.
Yeah, please do it. Done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay. So next one is 18 children. Okay. In which of the following a force F is acting on an object of mass M? Okay, the direction of displacement is from west to east, shown by the longer arrow. Observe the diagrams carefully and state whether the work done by the force is negative, positive, or zero. So three cases he has given. Case 1 diagram you can see clearly. So one
Ma'am,
minute.
can I join again? I can't see the screen.
You can join. So this is case 1 diagram. Okay, so you can see the case 1 diagram clearly. So what do you understand in case 1? After seeing case 1, what do you understand? Children, what do you understand from case 1? This is case 1. So what do you understand from case 1? So you have to read the question first very clearly.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Who is this Srijan?
Yes, ma'am.
Srijan, tell case 1.
Ma'am, in case 1, the force is acting on vertically upwards, ma'am. So case 1, answer for this question is not case 1, ma'am. In case 2, the force is acting from west to east on
So
the
work
body,
is
ma'am.
done. Work is done in the case 1 or work is not done?
Not done, ma'am. In case 1, work is not done, ma'am.
Why work is not
Because
done
the,
in the case 1?
ma'am, because the force is acting on upwards, ma'am.
Okay. It is in perpendicular direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Force acting on the block is perpendicular
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
direction of displacement.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
object is moving in right direction.
Right
Okay,
direction.
force
The
is
force is
acting in
applied.
upward direction. So
Yes, ma'am.
force is acting in perpendicular direction to the direction of
Object.
motion or direction
Yes.
of displacement. So according to two conditions, we will tell work is done. What are the two conditions, Srijan?
Ma'am, the object should be displaced, ma'am, and the
Okay, in which
force should be
direction?
applied.
In which two directions we will
Force.
tell? If
Applied
force
force,
should be
ma'am.
applied, so the object should be displaced in the direction of which the force is applied.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so in that direction the object should displace, but here force is applied perpendicular to the direction of displacement, hence we say that work is not done. If the force is applied in the same direction, that is there in case 2. So you
Yes, ma'am.
explain about case 2 now.
Ma'am, in case 2, the force is applied from the west direction to the east direction, ma'am, and the work is done, ma'am, because the object is also displaced from the stationary position to the final point.
You can see two arrow marks in case 2 very clearly. Okay,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
there is one arrow mark and here there
Force,
is one
ma'am.
arrow mark. So force means forces are acting in the right direction and the object is also moving in the right direction. So force
Yes,
and
ma'am.
displacement are in the same direction. So when the force and displacement are in the same direction, we say that work is done. Okay, and it is positive also. Work done by the force on the block will be positive. And what is the case 3 here?
Ma'am, case 3, the force is applying from the left side, ma'am, and the object is moving to the right side.
Opposite direction.
Yes, ma'am.
So work is
The
done.
force,
Uh,
no, ma'am, work is not done, ma'am.
Actually, work is not done.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
negative actually. Work done will be negative. In the problems also we got some negative answers. You remember? When we are
Yes,
solving the
ma'am.
problems, we got some negative answers. We said that the work, the force.
Work is acting opposite side of the displacement.
When the force applied is in opposite direction to the displacement or the motion of the object, then we will get an answer with a negative number. So work done by the force on the block will be negative here.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay, you have to remember this question is more important. So whenever force is acting on the body, but it is in opposite direction to the displacement or the movement of the object. Then whenever there is whenever the force is acting on the object in opposite direction, we will have work done is considered to be negative. This point is very, very important. So please do remember and put a star mark also, and write down. Draw the diagrams clearly, write down the question, draw the diagrams also clearly, and write down the answer. I'll give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes of time. Please do it. Write down the question and write down the answers also. Put arrow marks very clearly so that you will understand after reading. And when once you go home, when once you open books in your home, if you do write down all the arrow marks clearly, you will understand it. You can draw the diagrams with pencil. Don't write spelling mistakes, children. All the spellings are there on the board. So write as it is.
Ma'am, where is 17th question?
17th question you did not write?
No.
1 minute. I'll show you 17th also. 17th not, it is 16th, no?
Yes, ma'am.
17th is problem which I have already explained in the class. 16th also you can write it down.
I wrote,
Already
ma'am.
I have given enough time now for 16th.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote 16th. 17th one I'm asking.
17th not there. It is already
Okay,
a problem which is explained in the class.
Okay,
And you
ma'am.
have already noted down.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, if you have done, please tell me.
Ma'am, can you show case 3 answer?
1 minute. Others are also writing now. Just wait and then I'll move. Wait for 1 minute. Done, children? Shall I move the page?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Other children also please complete it fast.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed? Okay. Everybody completed?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Wait, ma'am, please.
Wait. Please do it. Okay, you wrote down the case 3 also. Here there is answer. Nineteenth also you note it down, children. I'll explain you because the time is very less now. Only 1 minute is there, so please note it down. 19th. 19th question also, please note it down.